It's sunny. It's sunny in Vancouver.
What if one single condo could quietly shape your entire financial future over the next decade? Picture this: you walk into a showing and see a home listed at $738,888. You already know the numbers matter, so you start running them. With a down payment of $55,417, your mortgage amount comes to $683,471. That sets your monthly mortgage payment at $3,676, a number every investor knows by heart before they even step inside. Now, here's where the investment story begins. This home could generate a potential monthly rent of $3,012, which means your monthly gain or loss would be $880. On paper, that might appear to be a setback, but the long game tells a very different story. Your down payment yearly ROI with rent comes to 0.75%, a quiet but consistent return that starts building momentum. Fast forward 10 years. As your pays down your loan, you build $192,529 in equity. At the same time, the property's projected value increases to $1,569,085. That sets you up for a 10-year profit of $830,197 if you choose to sell. And when you combine your down payment, rent, and the equity built, your total climbs to $1,078,142. That leads to the number investors love most. Your total return on investment reaches 1,716%. Even in a conservative scenario where we cut that forecast in half, your 50% 10-year projection still yields $1,101,366, resulting in a 50% 10-year profit, $362,478. This is why the math matters. Real estate doesn't just reward the monthly thinker, it rewards a decade thinker. So, would you let one smart purchase today carry you through the next 10 years?
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver.